Hello, and welcome to our English reader session. So, how are my bubbly ones? Must be doing good. Welcome and swagatam. I was actually thinking something जब आप आए तो मैं कुछ सोच रही थी. अब आपका सवाल ये होगा कि मैम क्या सोच रही थी. I know you wanted to know कि मैम actually सोच क्या रही थी. I was thinking about the power of sharing. See, I have been taught, you people must have been taught about the power of sharing. When you share things with others, you give them a notion that you are caring for them. And do you know, my lovely Bacha Party, the second chapter of English literature is a poem, and the name of the poem is Sharing is Caring. I, since my childhood, have been taught, बेटा अकेले मत खाओ, उसको भी दो, और स्कूल जा रहे हो ना, अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करना. Do give him, do give her. And then slowly, gradually, I started understanding that sharing means you show your love and affection towards someone because you believe that अकेले तो कोई भी खा सकता है. आई कैन ईट द एंटायर थिंग माई सेल्फ, आई कैन एंजॉय, बट देन अकेले एंजॉय करने में क्या ही मजा है when you share things with others. The happiness that it gives you is beyond limit. I mean, it is immeasurable. So that's what we are going to study in this poem. और मैं इसी बारे में सोच रही थी कि अगर मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे ना सिखाया होता, had they not taught me, I would not have understood the value of sharing. So I am very much here to teach you the value of sharing, which says sharing is caring. I know. There are so many hands raising up. I know your parents must have told you. Of course, it's important, and I know एवरीबडीज पेरेंट्स मस्ट हैव टॉट कि बेटा उसके साथ शेयर करना. ऐसा नहीं कि आप जा रहे हो खेलने तो अपने ही सारे टॉयज या अपने चीजों के साथ खुद अकेले खेलोगे. आई नो दिस एंड आई नो दैट यू आर वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन, यू आर अ बंच ऑफ इंटेलिजेंट पीपल एंड यू मस्ट बी डूइंग दैट सेम. बट इस पोम से हम थोड़ा और ज्यादा सीखेंगे और वापस से अपनी सीख को रिवाइव करेंगे, पॉलिश करेंगे, सो दैट in real life also, if we tend to forget, the chapter will make sure that we don't forget. Somebody once told me, and I've heard it somewhere else also. Do you know what? Great satisfaction comes when you share your things with others. Sharing gives you peace of heart, mind, and soul. It gives you inner satisfaction. It gives you energy and exuberance. So, ये पोम भी हमें इन्हीं सब चीजों के बारे में मैसेज कन्वे करती है. So, are you eager and you want to read this poem? Thank you so much. So let's begin without much ado. I welcome you wholeheartedly in the session of English Reader Explanation, where we are going to study poem number second, which says, Sharing is caring. So let's begin. Okay, children, you all are school going students. You all bring new things every day, if not every day, in a fortnight or something like that. So these, likewise, this picture is about three school going boys. Can you see that happiness? Do you know why a purity or that piousness of happiness comes? कब आती है वो खुशी, वो पवित्रता खुशी की शक्ल? करेक्ट. जब आप किसी के साथ अपनी चीजें शेयर करते हो तो वो खुशी दुगनी हो जाती है. यस, यस. So that's what these 2 3 boys are doing. Ram, Sham, and क्या? Ram, Sham, and Dham. That was what rhyming, and I couldn't think anything else. So, care and share and dare to do it every day. So it's a lunch box, and I suppose these are sandwiches, some veg sandwiches. I can see this broccoli or maybe some veggies coming out, and they all are, this boy must have got it, and the guys are sharing it, and see the happiness, वो yummy. और तब जब खाने के बाद आपकी मम्मा की तारीफ हो तो और मजा है. So do share your things with others, but not everything. I mean, keep it for yourself also, but then sharing gives you the blessing of God. Especially share with those who do not have the opportunity to enjoy that thing. Do that, my lovely children. So, on this note, it's time to understand the mystery or the secret that the chapter will unveil. I mean, it is going to teach us. Sharing is caring. So, have you ever shared a toy with your friends or siblings? सच बताऊं, initially I was like kind of, मैं नहीं दूंगी अपनी चीज. No. No, I don't want to give anything. But slowly, gradually, when my parents got to see my habit, they understood that I was going on a wrong track. And they taught me, and through a live example, उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया. And then I started sharing things with my friends. And believe me, I became a very happy soul after that. So, have you ever shared? Of course, you must have shared things. How did it make you feel? I felt extremely happy after sharing things. How did you feel? Exuberated? Happy, elated, satisfied, peaceful? कुछ ना कुछ तो feel किया होगा. अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, super अच्छा. What? What are some things you enjoy sharing with your friends at school or at home? I mean, क्या मजा आता है आपको? क्या चीजें शेयर करते हो? लंच बॉक्स? इन केस मेरे क्लासमेट में मेरी फ्रेंड पेंसिल नहीं लाई, इरेजर नहीं लाई, वो शेयर कर लिया. Maybe my friend is unwell and she's not coming to school, so I'll send her the notes. I'll WhatsApp it. So that's again a sharing. Or maybe I'm not able to come to your place, so you came and you said that don't worry, I will spend some time with you. Again, that is emotional sharing. I am upset you came to share words. So आपको ये लिखना है कि आप किस तरह से चीजों को शेयर करते हो. Now, ये तो हो गया इस पोम का ओवरव्यू. लेट्स गो डीप इनटू द पोम. छपा, जल्दी से डुबकी मारते हैं और निकालते हैं उस मिस्ट्री को. दैट व्हाट इज दिस पोएम गोइंग टू टीच अस. Come. This poem is all about being nice to your friends. So, what does this poem teaches us? This poem teaches us that be good to others, be nice to others. दूसरों के साथ अच्छे रहो. Because as you so shall you reap. जैसा आप बोओगे वैसा आपको काटना पड़ेगा. आप अच्छे हो, you will get positive vibes around you और आपके साथ अच्छा होगा. It talks about how we can make our friends happy. तो ये पोम क्या बात करती है? ये पोम बात करती है कि कैसे हम अपने loved ones को, अपने friends को खुश कर सकते हैं by sharing our favorite toys. I just told you, you go, you usually you must be going to your playground or a park nearby, and how you share things. So about sharing your favorite toys, आप उनके साथ पेन्स शेयर करते हो, बुक्स और इवन स्नैक्स. Of course, the picture said that the boys were sharing their tiffin boxes, means whatever they had got in their breakfast. Sharing is like giving a piece of joy to our friends. So, peace means a good word. Piece of joy means एक टुकड़ा किस चीज का? Okay. So it is like giving piece of joy. एक खुशी का टुकड़ा, एक खुशी का हिस्सा आप उसको भी दे देते हो. That you also enjoy with me. I mean, my father has got this, but अगर आप भी इसको खाओगे तो आप भी खुश हो जाओगे. तो let's together enjoy. And it makes us feel happy. Of course, when you give something to someone, it gives you internal satisfaction. Oh, thank God for giving me this. Thank God for helping me so that I could help someone else. So be a person like this. And so the poem reminds us, again a good word, that is reminding. Reminding means याद दिलाती है. Please, I told you initially as well, please make a Personalized dictionary means if you want to make a personalized dictionary, get a thin notebook or a thicker one and start jotting these words with their meanings, and you keep on reading it whenever you are free or whenever you are lying on your bed. Start reading these words. So it reminds us when we share and care for our friends, we all become good friends. Yes, if I have done something for my friend, she will understand that I am such a good soul that I am doing something. तो वो internally God तो मुझे bless करेगा ही, वो भी मेरी मदद करेगी. So क्या है कि आपके फ्रेंड्स आपके गुड फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं और आप हमेशा खुश रहते हो. So, what is the message that this poem is trying to teach us? Share, because it is a way that you care for your friends. Sharing is very powerful. It helps you to live a blessed life. You get happiness when you give piece of joy to someone else. आप खुशियां देंगे तो ढेर सारी खुशियां आएंगी. तो मैं समुद्र से डुबकी लगाकर क्या लाई? शेयरिंग की पावर सिखाने आई. So let's begin with the poem. I hope by now you must have understood कि आज हम जिस poem के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं वो हमें क्या सिखाने वाली है. So tang tang, this is the poem and we are going to sing together. I mean first I'm going to sing, then you sing, and then I will explain you. We have learned to share and care. Share and care, share and care. We have learned to share and care. We are so friendly. Chalo, repeat after me now. We have learned to share and care. मतलब क्या है? Now it's explanation time. We means हम. We have learned. Learn का third form. मतलब learn का form है ये जो have और has के साथ लगता है. I'll teach you in grammar as well. कि हमने सीखा है क्या? Share करना और केयर करना. अगर आप किसी की केयर करते हो, the best way is to share your things, share your happiness. Share and care, share and care. So it's a rhyme. Share and care, share and care. प्यार देना चाहते हो तो शेयर करो और केयर करो. आया समझ? We have learned to share and care. We are so friendly. हमने क्या सीखा है? शेयर करना, दूसरे की केयर करना. हम बहुत ही फ्रेंडली हैं. फ्रेंडली मतलब हम बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं क्योंकि हमने क्या सीखा है? हमने शेयर एंड केयर करना सीखा है, तो इसीलिए हम बहुत फ्रेंडली हैं. आज पेन का कलर बदलते हैं. आज पिंक लें? ओ नो, ठीक है, रेड ही लेते हैं, माय फेवरेट. ठीक है, डन. सो वी आर सो फ्रेंडली. हम इतने फ्रेंडली हैं मीन्स दोस्ती में मैं बिलीव रखते हैं और हमने सीखा है कि आप दूसरों के साथ शेयर. इज द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ क्लियर? Oh, great. Kudos. Let's move on to the second one. Now, I'm going to sing. After that, your chance. We can share our favorite toys. No, mama. No, mama. Yes, bacha. Yes, bacha. So, have fun and joy. Fun and joy. Fun and joy. We can share our favorite toys. We are so friendly. मतलब वी कैन शेयर. हम अब नंबर वन हम क्या शेयर कर सकते हैं? हम शेयर कर सकते हैं अपने फेवरेट टॉयज. हैव फन एंजॉय, बिकॉज आप अकेले खेलोगे तो क्या मजा है, क्या मस्ती है, कितनी देर खेलोगे, बोर हो जाओगे. सो अपने फेवरेट टॉय शेयर करो and it will give you fun and it will give you joy. It will give you immense fun and it will give you immense joy. Fun means masti, mazak, or joy means joy bhi खुशी होती है. So we can share our favorite toys. अकेले मत खेलो, share करो. And when you are going to give somebody that, okay, come, my father has got this, and can we play together? वो भी खुश, आप भी खुश, आपकी खुशियां दुगनी. We are so friendly. Clear, children? That's great. Third, we can share our pens and books. Second thing, क्या share कर सकते हो? पहला क्या था? Yes? नहीं, थोड़ा सा loud. Favorite toys. We can share our pens and books, games and food, games and food. तो क्या क्या शेयर कर सकते हैं हम अपने पेन्स, अपने बुक्स, अपने गेम्स और अपना फूड. माने फेवरेट टॉयज, करेक्ट, पेन, food like this, games and books, games and food. We can share our pens and books. We are so friendly. आया समझ? अब आपके चांस है इसको ऐसे ही गाने की, एंजॉय करने की और यस, सीखने की. हमें क्या शेयर करना चाहिए? अपने पेन, अपने बुक्स, अपने गेम्स और अपने फूड. सबसे जरूरी शेयर करना है जरूरतमंदों के साथ, अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी, ऑफ कोर्स, सभी को जिसको जरूरत है या जिसके साथ आपको अच्छा लगता है कि आप दूसरे के फेस पे स्माइल देखना चाहते हो. सो व्हाट आर दीज फेवरेट टॉयज? एंड देन correct. Next, pens, books, games, and food. Did you get that? I know you must have. Let's move on to the next stanza. We can. I am. पहले आप नहीं, पहले मैं, फिर बाद में साथ. We can share bat and ball. So this is fourth. We can share bat and ball, plum and drum, plum and drum. We can share and be caring for all. We are so friendly. We can share bat and ball. अब क्या आगे सिखाती है ये पोम? हमें क्या शेयर करना है? हमें बैट शेयर करना है, बॉल शेयर करनी है, प्लम शेयर करना है और ड्रम शेयर करना है. नाउ कैन यू सी दिस क्यूट पिक्चर ऑन द स्क्रीन? कैसे बैट बॉल शेयर कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी खाने की चीज है, ड्रम है, प्लम बड़ा जूसी सा, वो आप, इट्स योर होमवर्क, फाइंड आउट विच फ्रूट इट इज. सो plum and drum, we can share and be caring for all. Again, शेयर करोगे तो अपनी केयरिंग दिखाओगे. तो अगर आप सबके लिए केयर करते हो तो आपको शेयर करना है. सारी चीजों वापस रिवाइज करें. क्या क्या? फेवरेट टॉयज, पेन्स, बुक्स, हाँ, करेक्ट करेक्ट, और गेम्स एंड फूड. नेक्स्ट, प्लम एंड ड्रम, बैट एंड बॉल. देखा कितना आसान हो गया? कैसे आसान हुआ? Because we shared. I shared my thoughts with you and you played with me, you understood and you learned. So that's again a part of sharing. That's again how we care for each other. Wasn't that a lovely poem? And in fact, very informative as well. So, all those who have not been doing so, start doing it. But I am very sure that you all are in the habit of sharing things. So, now it's time to learn the keywords. The first keyword is favorite. Now you can jot down this in your that small dictionary which I've asked you to make. Favorite. Favor. Favorite. Favorite means liked more than any other. My favorite dish is this. Though I like everything, means सब कुछ पसंद है मगर ये मेरा favorite है. Favorite means जो आप और चीजों से ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं. Plum. I told you it's a fruit. I told you you'll have to find out and see the picture. Google it out. A soft round fruit with red और yellow skin. Red और yellow skin का इस तरह के shape का fruit होता है and a stone in the middle और वो गिट्टक या बीज जिसको कहते हैं आलू मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी. You have to find out. So it's a fruit, one of my favorite fruits. You have to find out that which fruit do you like the most, but which one is this plum. So now we've learned the keywords as well. We've learned sharing, we've learned caring, and we have learned many things. But the most important mudda is मेरे प्यारे बच्चे सीखें ग्रो करें. आई होप इट मस्ट हैव बीन वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव फॉर यू. चलती हूँ इस वादे के साथ कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके क्वेश्चंस और एक्सरसाइज और रिकैप सेशन आपको दूंगी. बाय बाय. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर.